Hello guys.
Hi.
This
So first go subscribe to this channel and go subscribe to EMALYNCUTIECAKE. All one word.
It's gonna be in the description. Alright. So guys, we just wanted to say something because we were trying to go
On Movie Star Planet, but
yeah, it wouldn't let us.
Movie Star Planet was really laggy.
Yeah. So for her, when she logged on, she got logged off and her computer was really laggy.
Well, you mean you, not me.
Well, your computer was laggy, but I got logged off of MSP and it said I was still online. Okay.
Yeah.
Because she was still online. And then when she logged out because it was very laggy, she tried to come back in and it wouldn't let her.
Well, you mean it wouldn't let you?
Well, she tried to go on, but it was still really laggy. And her computer was laggy. So we got scared and we thought we got hacked and they tried to mess up our computer or something.
No, it didn't try to mess up my computer. It was just Movie Star Planet that was laggy.
Yeah, but still. It was trying to I thought it was trying to mess up my computer, so I got really scared. Okay. So, yeah. And then after 10 minutes later and a research, okay, there was no thing saying, oh, don't play Movie Star Planet at July 15th. So, oh my god, annoying things. Okay, whatever. So, we were so scared, so we checked the internet and it said nothing about it. And then finally, after 15 minutes, we tried to log on. It let us on, thankfully for that. But we were just letting you know, guys, if you were playing June 15th and it was lagging you, July 15th and it was lagging, please comment down below and tell us what happened because we are really concerned. And I'm going to ask other people on Movie Star Planet if it was laggy for them or any hackers or anything because I got really scared and we just really want to know. So yeah, so we might make bye. But we might make more videos of this, and this is not clickbait if you're wondering. And don't dislike this. Oh, that didn't happen to me. Don't dislike that just because it didn't happen to you. Just say.
Hey guys, and remember to stay unicorn.
Yeah, just don't say
that's fake with your cake.
Cake. No, don't mess up your laptop. Just smash it with your phone. Well, don't smash it. Just tap it gently. Okay? And bye guys. Just let us know below if something happened to you. So bye.